Justin Deseck here with Sutton Select Realty, celebrating closing day with our client, Mr. Michael Clark. Mr. Clark, why don't you give us a quick tour and show us why this property was sold in 36 hours at your full asking price?
Well, that's easy. When you work with professionals, they get the job done.
Let's go check it out.
Okay. So here,
Just very quick.
you have this beautiful.
Just quick
we added the
tidbits.
rocks, we trimmed the trees. We trimmed this one. Let's not forget Jason Cook from Sutton Renovations, who did the project management here and the general contracting. New windows, new metal, new troughs. This property had no troughs. We picked up this, laid it back down, graded away from the house. New deck. Redid the fence. New roof we did the shed. Added some nice decor here, and that's about it, right?
Okay.
There's a lot. The lots of what I could feel sold the place.
Go ahead. Your socks don't match. That means you're going places. All right, tell us what you did in here, Mikey.
So we floated some LVP and the walkway. We changed the covers of the. We added pots. Did a front to back paint all the way. New semi-gloss on the right, flat on the roof. This nice flat light blue. We got new windows all the way around. We have a brand new kitchen. We added this countertop.
Who gave you the idea for this breakfast bar here?
On this existing, it was actually Mr. Deseck himself. This is just a half wall to separate the kitchen from the living room. So to add space in the living room, we added this here. That's a suggestion to you. We recessed this fridge to give more space because it was out here and we had a closet here and a closet here. So we just tore it out, boarded it, painted it, framed this, slid this back so you got more of an open concept inside this beautiful kitchen. We added and updated this beautiful tile, kept the stove, kept the fridge. They were in great running condition and they looked good. We added the dishwasher. We put a new sink, new faucet, new cabinetry, cleaned the floors, right? That was a huge save that the Harbor floors.
Oh, you saved thousands on this floor. It's a great floor.
Right. We replaced the mirror. We added this toiletry cabinet because we deleted those two closets. So somewhere to put your toiletries, towels, etc. We updated the faucets inside here. All the original tile work. New toilet. Cleaned it up really well. New light. And then in here we just paint and put these fancy remote control /lights in here. So it's a very light renovation. Very, very light.
Good. And then again, you got a big, beautiful backyard with a brand new deck. Closets in the 2 bedrooms. Let's check out the basement.
We added this luxury vinyl plank. Down here we painted, and then we just rolled some concrete paint on the ground down here just to clean it up and freshen it up. Came with the place, left them. This came, we left it, we added a countertop. And lots of cleaning, and then down here just went flat white everywhere. So, the buyer today could potentially make this another unit. It's zoned to do so, and we left this because we felt it could be useful to the buyer.
Okay, very good.
New light. And yeah, that's about it.
Very
new
good.
cover plates, and that's
Awesome. So what was the most important thing to keep in mind throughout the process and pricing this property here when it came time to list it for sale?
Be competitive.
Yeah.
Competitive in your price and utilizing the first-time home buyers and keeping in mind that to qualify for a $380,000 mortgage today, you must make a household income of $100K.
Yeah. And then did you stage this property here before you sold it?
100%. Thank you so much, Kay.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Very good. Congratulations to you, Mr. Clark. Happy closing day.
Happy closing day.